In primetime news this evening, man convicted for killing 2 American missionaries slapped with 2 life sentences.
Prime Minister issues call on NHT to pick up the pace as the local demand for houses surpasses 150,000.
And police report over 40 bomb threats on Friday. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers at TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening we have the Financial Week and Javon has a preview.
Well, Janella, AS Bryden & Sons, that's a subsidiary of Seprod Company Limited, has listed by introduction on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, so I'll have that. And some news on tech and what one organization is saying businesses need to do to ensure that they boost growth.
Thank you, Keys. And Spencer Darlington, what's coming up in sports?
Thank you, Archie. Well, all is set for tomorrow's Rumble in the Sun fight card at the National Indoor Sports Center. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
This is getting so popular in Jamaica, and I mean, I'm actually surprised, but yeah, Rumble in the Sun, looking forward to it. And Romain, what is the weather going to be like? Because everybody's going to be at Rumble in the Sun tomorrow.
Well, the biggest change we're expecting this weekend is stronger winds right across the area. So we do have small craft warnings in effect for both the north and south coasts and for offshore areas as well. So things could be very tricky if you're heading to the beach this weekend.
All right.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and our Bite of the Week in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, are you confident that the Jamaica Football Federation will iron out all issues ahead of the January presidential elections? Give reasons for your answer.
This will be an interesting poll. You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.